Luxury sculpted from clay and tried in embers, an art older than civilization itself. The ultimate marriage of form and function. Ceramic pottery is an inheritance of culture, of tradition, of innovation that has become one of the great mediums of self-expression in a world of fast fashion and drab decor. Twine's journey to bring you the best ceramics started with master craftsmen and artisans whose bloodlines are inextricably woven into the history of stoneware. The craft has been refined through generations of mastery and dedication. Our in-house design team works in tandem with artisans and master craftsmen to curate and reimagine classical motifs and reshape them into modern form factors. Our goal is to preserve and propagate the art and science of ceramic manufacture by bringing you irresistible art pieces that also happen to be perfect receptacles for your morning joe or your evening snack. Once the design process is finished, the manufacturing team really shifts into gear, and a rigorous 8-step process that can take up to 4 weeks kicks off. The first stage is one of the most tricky and time-consuming steps of the manufacturing process. It begins in the slip house, where white clay, which is locally known as Chini Mitti or Chinese clay, known for its strong heat-resistive and structural properties, is sifted, mixed with water, and tumbled to achieve a uniform cream-like consistency. After mixing, the slip is carefully poured into molds, and the excess is then poured back out by experts who use their experience to ensure that the cured product is solid, consistent, and free from any trapped air bubbles. Trapped air is one of the most common causes of failure in the manufacturing process of ceramics. The cured pieces are taken out of the molds for the next stage of processing, which includes touch-ups, removal of excess and deformed clay, the clearing of blockages from spouts and tubes, and reshaping and recarving of the final design motifs. Once the artisans have completed the pieces, they move on to the finishing station, where the master craftsmen do a final touch-up before the pieces are bisque fired. The shape is locked in at this stage, and any imperfections are made permanent, making each piece slightly unique, a signature trait inherent to any handmade ceramic. The bisque-fired stoneware undergoes a multi-stage glazing process. The piece is first covered in underglaze, before being painted by an artisan who applies each design freehand, thanks to years of experience. The final glaze is then applied, and the piece is prepped for the kiln. The works spend anywhere from 48 to 78 hours in the kiln, being vitrified to either cone 5 or cone 6, depending on the piece and the glaze. This is just a small glimpse into the meticulous process that allows us to bring a dash of pizzazz to your home. For more insights into the world of manufacturing and the real art that defines your homes, visit dashandtwine.com or come to our store in El Barsha.